I need your help.
If Mighty Eagle, cry. Well, how can we cry? Mighty Eagle?
We?
Maybe something like,
No, I bet it's more like... That's theoretically what it's more like. Theoretically.
oh, I got one.
That sounds about right.
Now I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more subtle. Like a little bit just more majestic, like... Yoo-hoo! I'm so sweet!
Stop making noises!